Hello everybody. A couple of days later I finally got around to tackling the top of my bold cypress. Cooper came out to join me, as you can see. Anything for a biscuit. I hit on the idea of putting the tree on the turntable on the floor, which meant it was at a lower place, which was a lot easier to work on. But there were issues with the sound, which I will go through with you now, just to give you what happened. It was a bit of a funny story. But first, for context, this is an aerial shot from Google Maps of my house, showing you that, well, nothing but fields behind the houses. There's a group of 10 cottages and then just fields for miles in all directions. And as I was setting up to do this recording, a female pheasant full on hit me in the back of the head as it was being chased by two male pheasants from the field into my garden. Knocked the microphone pack off my belt. I grabbed it and in doing so turned the microphone off and didn't notice. Hence, all this was filmed with no sound whatsoever. And now I'm fumbling about trying to make a video, trying to make something watchable, whilst not really being able to remember about a week and a half later what on earth I was telling you about all these extra long branches. Probably something to the effect that I was going to cut and wire and bend and shape, more or less. Anyway, if you don't know what a flat top bold cypress is, there are lots of videos on YouTube. It's not something we have in my part of the world. That's the main reason that I actually wanted it. Anyway, the rest of this is all going to be taken up at speed with me wiring and shaping. As you know, I don't really like appearing in my videos. This channel was called Sid's Trees, not Sid and his trees. All along I've wanted to show you working on the trees from my point of view rather than your point of view, if that makes sense. But anyway, it's a quick 360 of the tree in all its glory. Okay, so here's a close-up of that flat top. As they say, inspired by trees I've only actually seen on YouTube and on the internet, not in real life, but something that I just thought, I like that, I'd like one, and so that's what I've done. All that remains then is to say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. All the usual YouTube things, the liking, the subscribing. Comment below, let me know what you think, but most of all, please stay safe, everybody.